Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Katie and I'm going to be doing a paper piecing today from my Charlie Brown Christmas 2020 page kit. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be using the Art Glitter Designer Dry as Clear. I do sell this in my shop, however not during the winter. This cannot ship in freezing cold temperatures unless it's well insulated, but then that really ups the shipping charges. So this will be back in my shop in summer if you're watching this during the winter time. So we are going to start with the base here, and I'm gonna start with, I think I'm gonna go ahead and build, actually I'm gonna build up this piece. Okay, so this is actually gonna get glued behind here when we're done with it. So the white is just gonna go right on top of the black. Now you wanna make sure you have this going the right way. You don't wanna have this upside down or it won't go right. So you wanna have your curve going like this. In your kit, you're going to receive a photo or a printed out image so that you can, okay, my glue got clogged up. If your glue gets clogged up, you just stick your pin in there. It was just sitting out too long in between videos. Okay, so there we go. And I forgot what I was saying. But if you check the description below, I have a link to my shop where you can pick up this kit as well as other fun projects too. I do mini albums and page kits, different die cut sets, card kits. I have also some bundles, some scrapbooking on clearance. Check out my clearance section. I've got some bundles on there for different papers and stickers and different things. Okay, so we've got the white on. The next is the green because this has to go on top of the green. So let's get the greens down. Now I'm going to just lay them out first to make sure I have everything in the correct place before I start adding my glue. And if you haven't already, please check out and follow my Facebook page and my Instagram. I always do sneak peeks. I always post sneak peeks up there so you can see what's coming. Oh, this little piece is going to come down here. Now this little one, this is for his hat, for Linus's hat. So it's going to go up there. This one. This one goes here. Okay, let's go ahead and get these glued down. Now this is a fast drying glue, so you don't want to take too long for sticking it down. Okay, and I'm just gonna follow along with the outline. Just kind of center it in there so you have a nice white border around. And I'm just patting or tapping it down instead of rubbing it because I don't want it to move out of place. Okay, so now that this is together, we're going to glue it behind this piece. So the tip of this, and it just overlaps a little bit on there. This is going to come behind his, no, that's not going to work. Okay, I was just wondering if that should be attached, but it's because of that little piece. I'm just thinking how to make this easier. What I might do, this might be different. Okay, what I might do is just connect the black all the way to this. So it's one big piece so you know exactly where to put the white. Oh, but see, that might make it more complicated because then I have to have a piece to go over the top of him. So I think I might just leave it like this. Okay, so we're going to put this on here. Basically, you want this, you want these little branches to line up like that. Oh, you know what? This kind of goes, it's going to go over that. Okay, so just like that. Yeah, so this piece doesn't actually connect right at the bottom. It just goes just like that. So let's see if we can do this. I'm just going to put some here. Sorry, it's a little complicated. But not too bad. Okay, so I'm just going to lay it down right there. Just like that. Okay, so not too bad. It's not too bad. Put glue too far down. Didn't need to have glue all the way down here. I'll figure out something. It'll be like this, or I might weld it a different way. We'll see. Connect it somehow. But anyway, so that's how we have that. Okay, then the little ornament is going to go right on top of there. Okay. And then this goes right on top. Okay, do the blue next. Now my blue is in two pieces. I didn't realize that when I was making it. So yours might just be one piece, and then just use a little black line or black pen, I'm sorry, to connect, to color over the connection points. Okay, so this one, yeah, this might be already connected to yours. If there's a little connection point, just use a black pen and color over that line so you don't see it. So let me go back and fix that. Yeah, see how I have this piece connected and this piece connected here? That we're going to go over with the black pen. It just makes it easier. The more pieces we can keep together when piecing, it makes it so much easier putting it together and lining things up. And I'm just going to line up the ears and his neck. Gets it right into place. There we go. Okay, and then his shirt. It's going to just line up right there with his collar. He's pretty easy to put together. I like this one. Not too bad. Oh, I was off camera there. Sorry about that. Just added some glue. Oh, you know what? I totally forgot to put the brown piece in. Let me go ahead and do that. Sorry, I should have done that a long time ago. But it didn't hurt anything. Okay. Alrighty, let's see. I'm going to do this piece next. Okay, so there he is, so cute. Okay, so we just need to go in, I think, I was thinking with the pen, but oh yeah, yes, by his ears. Okay, the one ear and the neck. Okay, just very carefully draw that line in there. We just go over it just a couple of times, 2 or 3 times. There we go. Okay, and like I said, this will probably be connected, so you'll have one little line there. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be adding any other piece or welding this differently with the black. If I can think of a better way, I will, but as for now, that's how you do it. So I think that's it. I hope you've liked this video, or I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button. And I don't know if I mentioned before, if you'd like to pick up this page kit, if you haven't already, click the link below. It'll take you to my shop. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.